It'll be a little bit of heat, but it shouldn't be too bad.
All right, Dr. Emer, we're live in Florida.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. We're here in Florida and we're with one of my beautiful clients. We're keeping him looking young and fresh, removing sun damage and redness using our BBL Hero. You guys know this is our high energy, rapid output light therapy device. This is not a laser, this is a light. And this light works at with different sort of filters to be able to improve the texture of the skin. Now, this isn't going to do a lot with scarring like you guys know I typically do. This is going to do more for the color and for the tightening. And we're focusing a lot more with redness because he has actually really great skin. He doesn't have a lot of sun damage, which we're going to address anyways using our Halo device. And we're going to do microneedling radiofrequency for tightening of his skin as well. So this initial passes are, let's get rid of that redness, let's tighten the skin, and let's brighten the skin. Some people call this a forever young procedure. This is just that newer device, that BBL Hero. It's faster, it's less painful, and it's a higher energy output without a lot of damage to the skin.
All right, let's see. We have people coming on. People asking, are we going to go to San Diego? We're so close to San Diego and LA.
You could come to LA from San Diego.
We have tons of patients that come see us.
These are my patients. I would love for you guys to come in from San Diego. These are my patients that are on the East Coast that can't get to LA that often. Perfect. So you guys see, in the old days, these devices used to take so much time to do a full face. We are able really to do multiple filters on a full face in about 5 minutes. It's insane. This was never ever thought that this would ever be possible. 15 years ago when I was doing this, it would be 45 minutes to an hour just to do this one treatment that I'm doing right now. And so turn your head to the left. Let's get the neck. Perfect. We're going to go down here. We're going to tighten this area. There's another device on here called Skin Tight that delivers even more rapid pulsing.
To answer this person's question, they said, how much is a consultation, guys? Send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. We'd love to reach out to you. We'll get you in any one of our locations.
What I like to do this gets rid of any of the redness, and poikiloderma, turn to the right. Poikiloderma is sun damage that makes this sort of net-like look on the neck in terms of redness and brown. This is going to get rid of that. It's going to and then it's going to really help when we resurface him with our lasers. We're going to keep him looking super young and get rid of any chance that he can get any skin cancer. We want to prevent that skin cancer by doing these energy-based treatments. And you guys know down in Boca, it's always sunny. Turn to the left, and then one more pass. Perfect. Now I'm gonna do a quick sort of second filter pass on him. He doesn't have a lot of brown, but I like to just lift up any pigment that could be there that's potential sun damage. We're gonna switch over.
Someone wants to say, very good technique, perfect, saw all of your results. Another person said, review on radio frequency microneedling for traumatic scars. What do you think?
Well, that's gonna have to be done in a consult. It's not what we're doing right now. So this one's gonna be a little warmer. This is a different filter. This is gonna be a filter that's more geared towards the brown. He doesn't have a lot of the brown. The brown will be lifted when we do the halo, but this is grabbing onto that superficial pigment. Any of that underlying sun damage is gonna bring it to the surface, and it's gonna allow it to come off when we do the halo. So he is gonna look even more clear with this treatment because we did this second filter pass. So numerous passes. This heat is also going to tighten the skin. It can improve any scars somebody has. It also can get rid of, again, any of those browns and reds. It's so weird. I'll tell you guys, when I do these lives, I don't have a mask. So I'm not used to it.
It's weird. We're in Florida, guys.
I love it. Okay, turn to the right. We're going to do the other side. How does it feel?
Great.
He feels fine. He's doing great. That's unbelievable. So BBL Hero, you guys, again, best and fastest light therapy device in the market, highest energy output with rapid speed, unheard of in the past, no other technology like it. In your hands, it can be really successful. In the wrong hands, very dangerous. This device has a high rate of causing burns if not done properly, so you really need to go to an expert. It's very important. It seems like this is nothing, but this is actually a very detailed treatment that I did 3 years of fellowships to learn.
Should we tell them like what we like to pair this with?
Oh yeah, tell them.
Guys, we love to pair this with our Moxie and our Aerify Complexion Revival Kit. We use this for our Hollywood Spotlight treatment, guys. We'll take years off your life in just about 7 days.
And that was on Access Hollywood. We showed great results. And that's it. And then the last part I like to do is just grab a little bit around his nose.
People are saying they sent DMs. We'll reply to you as soon as we end this live. We'll love to have you. We'll get right back to you.
We're gonna go a little bit around the nose. Let's get some of those little blood vessels. So now we're gonna use our little baby. This is one of my favorite filters, my favorite covers. Take a look. It's Little Baby Flash right there. So we're gonna go on his nose. This area tends to get little blood vessels, which no one likes. So let's get rid of those. Let's blast those away. These blood vessels occur just from age or from being a very light skin tone. They can occur around the nose. I like to go all the way in there, go all the way up into the corner. Just get rid of these blood vessels. And that will allow...
Does the patient feel anything? Our patient, tell us, how do you feel?
I feel great. I don't feel anything. And I'm a wuss. I'm telling you, I feel nothing.
All right,
It's
that was
great.
it. So you guys, how quickly was that done? In expert hands, about 5 to 7 minutes max.
Right on
BBL
the
Hero,
spot.
full face and neck, and we were able to get his nose. You can already see even through the gel, much more even tone, that beautiful pink. It's exactly what we want before we start our next treatment. So get ready. We'll follow it up with our halo. All right, let's clean him off.